The chorus, a group of main characters who sing in unison song that provide commentary and sometimes background information about the play. A hero and his heroine who sing in unison song that provide commentary and sometimes background information about the play. A group of people who sing in unison songs that provide commentary and sometimes background information about the play. A group of people who sing in unison songs that do not provide commentary and sometimes background information about the play. The answer is a group of people who sing in unison songs that provide commentary and sometimes background information about the play. Sometimes background information about the play. Sometime background information about the play. Fool in King, Inar Barbas in Antony and Cleopatra, Thyestes in Troilus and Cressida, and Seth Beg with in Morning becomes Electra, or the instance of pastoral characters, action heroes, domestic characters, choral characters. This is choral characters. A word which Fool in King Lear, Inar Barbas in Antony and Cleopatra, Thyestes in Troilus and Cressida, Seth Bagwith in Morning becomes Electra, or the instance of choral characters. A word which becomes lifeless due to overuse is glitch. A word which becomes lifeless due to overuse is glitch. It is a plot device which is used to cause suspense. A story or plot line comes to an end suddenly. It also has a large plot twist. It leaves many questions unanswered. It puts the main character in a difficult dilemma. The main character is confronted with a shocking revelation at the end of an episode of serialized fiction. The plot or device is cliffhanger, cliff-on, dilemma, hamartia. Cliffhanger. A technique of cliffhanger appeared. Cliffhanger appeared in the Victorian serial number. It appeared in Charles Dickens, a pioneer of the serial publication of narrative fiction. The term cliffhanger originated in 1873 when Henry Knight was left hanging off a cliff. The protagonist, Henry Knight, appeared in Hardy's A Pair of Blue Eyes. Dickens, Oliver Twist. Hardy's Far From Madding Crowd. Dickens, A Tale of Two Cities. Hardy's answer is Hardy's A Pair of Blue Eyes. Closet drama. Closet drama is written in a room. Drama written to be staged rather than read. Drama written to read rather than acted. None of these. A drama written to be read rather than acted. Milton, Samson Agonis, Landers, Count Julian, Varens, Manfred, Keats, Otho the Great, Sally's Prometheus Unbound, and Hardy's Dinettes are the instance of closet drama, melodrama, choral drama, comical drama. This is closet drama. The term code hero is associated with Faulkner, Hemingway, Mark Twain, John Steinbeck. This is Hemingway. Such word or phrase can be used in daily conversation and informal writing but cannot be used for formal situation. The term for such word is curriculum, contest, colloquialism, formalism. So this is colloquialism. It is amusing and satirical in tone. Its end is cheerful. It shows the triumph over unpleasant. It creates comic effect. The final outcome is happy conclusion. This is comedy. Comedy is derived from commodia. Reveal song. Commodia is a Latin word, French word, Greek word. None of these. This is Greek word. Commodia is a Greek word. Comedy is derived from commodia. Reveal song. Commodia is a Greek word. The Merchant of Venice, Measure for Measure, All's Well That Ends Well, and The Winter's Tale are light comedies of Shakespeare. Last comedies of Shakespeare. Dark comedies of Shakespeare. Night comedies of Shakespeare. Dark comedies of Shakespeare. The Merchant of Venice, Measure for Measure, Always That Ends Well, and Winter's Tale, that is dark comedies of Shakespeare. Phlegm, blood, yellow bile, and black bile are known as humors. Disease. None of these. This is humors. Comedy of humor is the term applied to the type of comic drama written by John Fletcher and Ben Jonson. Shakespeare, Samuel Johnson, Milton. This is written by Ben Jonson. Comedy of humor written by Ben Jonson. Johnson plays the everyman in his humor, every man out of his humor. The Alchemist and Bolton, comedy of humor. Johnson plays every man in his humor, every man out of Every Man Out of His Humor, The Alchemist, and Bolpan are the comedy of humors. Who popularized comedy of humors? Who popularized comedy of humor? No, Ben Jonson. Who popularized comedy of humor? Ben Jonson. Ben Jonson. Who popularized comedy of humor? Ben Jonson. Humor is Latin word which means liquid. Humor is a Latin word which means liquid. Comedy of manner was originated in France with Johnson, Molière, Fletcher, Shakespeare. This is Molière. Comedy of manner was originated in France with Molière. Comedy of manner flourished in particular period of England. Which period is it? Elizabethan, Victorian, Restoration, Romantic. This is Restoration. Comedy of manner flourished in particular period of England. Which period is it? Elizabethan, Victorian, Restoration, Romantic. This is Restoration. Congreve and Ithres are the writers of. Congreve and Ithres of the writer of comedy of humor, comedy of manners, comedy of situation. None of these. This is comedy of manners. Congreve and Ithres are the writer of comedy of manners. In 18th century, comedy of manners was revived. Goldsmith and Addison, Goldsmith and Steele, Beaumont and Fletcher, Goldsmith and Sheridan. So Goldsmith and Sheridan. Answer is Goldsmith and Sheridan. In 18th century, comedy of manner was divided by Goldsmith and Sheridan. Which form of dramatic genre deals with the intrigues and relations of ladies and gentlemen who live in a sophisticated society? Comedy of manner, comedy of humor, comedy of romance. None of these. तो ये होगा आंसर इज comedy of manners. Which form of dramatic genre deals with intrigues and relation of ladies and gentlemen who live in a sophisticated society? Comedy of manner, comedy of humor, comedy of romance. This is comedy of manner. Shakespeare, Love, Lover, Lost, Much Ado About Nothing are the early example of comedy of manners. Shakespeare, Love, Lover, Lost, Much Ado About Nothing are the early examples of comedy of manners. The term comedy of menace is associated with the early plays of Pinter, who coined this term by borrowing it from the subtitle of Compton's play The Lunatic View, a comedy of menace. Lunatic View, a comedy of menace. Henry James, James Joyce, Virginia Woolf, Irving Wardell. तो इसका आंसर इज आर्विन वर्डेल. हु क्रिटिसाइज रेस्टोरेशन कॉमेडी इन शॉर्ट व्यू ऑफ द immortality and profanes of the English stage. Lionel Trilling, Jeremy Coiler, Northrop Fryer, Susan Fry, Susan Sontag. तो इसका होगा जेरमी कॉलियर. आंसर इज जेरमी कॉलियर. हु क्रिटिसाइज रेस्टोरेशन कॉमेडी इन शॉर्ट व्यू ऑफ द इमोर्टलिटी एंड प्रोफेननेस ऑफ द इंग्लिश स्टेज? जेरमी बाय जेरमी कॉलियर. कॉमिक relief. The introduction of the comic character speeches or scenes in a serious or tragic work. The introduction of tragic character speeches or scene in a comic or tragic work. The introduction of comic characters speeches or scene in a burlesque or comic work. The introduction of pastoral characters speeches or scenes in a tragicomical work. The answer is the introduction. What is comic relief? The introduction of comic characters speeches or scene in a serious or tragic work. Comic relief is a serious, tragic and tragic work. Gravediggers in Hamlet, the scene of the drunken porter in Macbeth, the Falstaff scene in Henry Thor Part 1, and the role of Mercutio and the old nurse in Romeo and Juliet are the instance of burlesque, interlude, comic relief, tragicomic. This is answer of comic relief. Gravediggers Hamlet in scene of drunken porter in Macbeth, the Falstaff scene in Henry IV Part 1, and the roles of Mercutio and the old nurse in Romeo and Juliet are the instance of comic relief. Instance of comic relief. A fanciful image or startling comparison is known as identity, conceit, imagery, metaphor. This is conceit. A fanciful image or startling comparison is known as conceit. It is poetry of the personal or this style of writing emerged in the late 1950s and early 1960s. It is associated with poets such as Robert Lowell, Sylvia Plath, and Sexton and W.D. Snodgrass. Such poetry is called autobiographical poetry, subjective poetry, confessional poetry. None of these. So this is confessional poetry. The struggle between two characters or two forces is known as conflict, struggle, fighting, and none of these. This is conflict. This is the struggle between two The struggle between two forces is known as conflict. Conflict may be two kind of outer and inner. Conflict may be two kinds, outer and inner. Denotion. Denotion is the dictionary meaning of a word, while connotation is an idea that is implied or suggested. Denotion is the dictionary meaning of word, while denotion is the dictionary meaning of a word, while connotation is an idea that is implied or suggested. Secondary meaning of word is known as denotation, explanation, exposition, connotation. This is connotation. It consists of two consecutive lines of words rhythmic together, usually in the same meter. Usually in the same meter. It consists of two consecutive lines of words rhythmic together, usually in the same meter. What is usually in the same meter? What is it? What is it? Triplet, stanza, couplet, none of these. It is consists of two consecutive lines of words rhyming together, usually in the same meter. It is couplet. Chaucer introduced into British poetry heroic couplet. Chaucer introduced heroic couplet into the British poetry. It is nihilistic art movement is flourished in Europe early in 20th century. It is based on irrationality and negation of the laws of beauty. It is dadaism, symbolism, futurism, and none of these. This is dadaism. Tristan Tarja Marshall, Dust M. Man Ray, and Max Ernst are among the exponents of expressionism, impressionism, dadaism, nihilism. This is dadaism. The standard meaning, which is opposed to its meaning in the figurative use, is called the connotative meaning, the sense meaning, the literal meaning, imaginism. This is the literal meaning. Denouement is a resolution. Denouement, what is denouement? Denouement is a resolution. The selection and arrangement of words in speech and writing is language, passion, fiction, diction. This is diction. The selection of arrangement of words in speech and writing is diction. Any work of literature which sets out to instruct is called didactic, episteme, epistle. This is didactic. A song or hymn morning composed or performed as a memorial to a dead person is known as lyric, ballad, dirge. None of these. This is dirge. A song or hymn of mourning composed or performed as a memorial to a dead person is known as lyric, ballad, dirge. None of these. This is dirge. A song of hymn of mourning composed or performed as a memorial. To a dead person is known as dirge. A comic verse of irregular measure is doggerel. A comic verse of irregular measure is doggerel. A comic verse of irregular measure is doggerel. A comic verse of irregular measure is comedy, tragedy, farce, doggerel. This is doggerel. Angry young man is the phrase which was first used in 1956 largely by journalists following the premiere of Ibsen's Doll's House. J.B. Saw Arms and the Man John Osborne plays Look Back in Anger. Look Back in Anger. None of these. The answer is John Osborne's play Look Back in Anger. Look Back in Anger. Angry young man is the phrase which was first used in 1956 largely by journalists following the premiere of Ibsen's A Doll's House. J.B. Saw Arms and the Man John Osborne's play Look Back in Anger. The answer is John Osborne's play Look Back in Anger. Rabbi Ben Ezra, My Last Duchess, Porphyria's Lover, Ibelian Hope, and Farah Lippi are famous dramatic monologues. Identify the author. Robert Browning, Goldsmith, Sally Dryden. Answer is Robert Browning. Deus ex machina is a Latin colloq from the Greek word which is used for machine from heaven, mechanic from heaven, God from heaven, God with all power, a God from the machine, God for machine. When a seat is, answer is God from the machine. When a seat is folded to make 12 leaves, it is known as recto verso folio duodecimo. The answer is duodecimo. The answer is duodecimo. It is a fictional society which is quite opposite to utopia is dystopia. Brave New World by Huxley is an instance of campus fiction, dystopian fiction, mystery fiction. None of these. The answer is dystopian fiction. A short descriptive poem of rural or pastoral life is known as comic relief, interlude, and pastoral's eclogue. This is eclogue. A short descriptive poem of rural or pastoral life is known as eclogue. Which kind of poetry has something of evanescent motive means LG. The formula of where they are. Very important question. Which kind of poetry has something of evanescent motive? The formula of where are they for lamenting the past. This is LG. This is LG. Lucidus, Thyrsis and pastoral elegies. Lucidus, Thyrsis and Adonis are the pastoral elegies. Pastoral elegies. Pastoral elegies. Spenser's Astrophil. Astrophil is written on the death of Philip Sidney, Arthur Hallam, Edward Young. None of these. Philip Sidney. Spenser's Astrophil is written on the death of Philip Sidney. Written on the death of Philip Sidney. Understanding and entering into another's feeling is known. Into another's feeling is understanding, and entering into another's feeling is known as empathy, sympathy, homopathy, catharsis. This is empathy. This is empathy. If you like my videos, then like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.